Mistplay region settings are connected to your account and device information, so changing your location does not always change the country or offers available in the app. By the end, you'll know why Mistplay region changes can be difficult, what you can check, and what steps to take if your available games or rewards look different. Mistplay uses your account details and device information to determine which games and offers are available. This means your Mistplay experience can vary depending on where your account is registered and where you are using the app. If you move to a different country or your region appears incorrect, start by checking your phone's region settings. On Android, open Settings and check your device language and region options if your phone supports those settings. On iPhone, open Settings, go to General, and check Language and Region. After changing device settings, restart Mistplay and check whether your available offers update. If your region still does not change, the issue may be linked to your Mistplay account rather than your phone settings. Account regions are not always changed automatically when your physical location changes. Avoid using VPNs or location-changing tools to try to unlock different Mistplay regions. These methods can create account problems and may not change the offers available to you. If you recently moved, the safest option is to contact Mistplay support and explain that your location or region has changed. Support can check account-specific issues that cannot be fixed through phone settings. You should also make sure Mistplay is updated to the latest version. App updates can fix problems related to account information and app behavior. If you are seeing fewer games or different rewards than another user, that does not always mean your app is broken. Mistplay offers can vary between users based on account availability and location. A region change will not necessarily transfer all available offers from one country to another. The games and rewards shown in the app depend on what is available for your account. To summarize, Mistplay region issues usually come from account settings, device region settings, or offer availability. Checking your phone settings, updating the app, and contacting support are the best steps to try. Your next step is to check your device region, reopen Mistplay, and contact support if your account location still appears incorrect. Subscribe for more Mistplay guides, reward app fixes, and troubleshooting tips.